If you wake up bloated and uncomfortable, even after drinking water, this video will change how you understand digestion forever. You did what you were told. You drank water first thing in the morning. And yet, your stomach still feels heavy, tight, or swollen. Today, we're not blaming water. We're explaining why water alone isn't always enough, and what actually helps digestion wake up gently in the morning. Let's clear something up right away. Water absolutely supports digestion. It hydrates your gut lining. It helps stomach acid function properly. It keeps things moving through your system. So if you've ever heard someone say, water doesn't help digestion, that's not true. And that's not what we mean here. The issue is this: for many people, especially in the morning, water alone doesn't send a strong enough signal to fully wake up digestion. After hours of sleep and fasting, your digestive system is in rest mode. And rest mode needs signals, not just hydration. If this explanation is making things click for you, tap like so more people who need this can find it. Let's continue. Digestion isn't activated by volume, it's activated by cues. Things like temperature, minerals, gentle acidity, mild stimulation. Plain water hydrates, but it doesn't always provide those cues, especially if your digestion is already sluggish, stressed, or sensitive. Years ago, people didn't just wake up and chug plain water. They had broths, herbal infusions, diluted fruit or vegetable drinks, things that gently signaled the digestive system. Modern mornings are different. High stress, rushed routines, cortisol already elevated, and digestion responds to that. This is where many people get confused. Water doesn't cause bloating, but if digestion isn't ready, water can sit in the stomach longer than expected. That can feel like heaviness, pressure, tightness in the lower belly, especially first thing in the morning. This is where a specific kind of green juice can help. Not sugary juices, not harsh detox drinks. A gentle digestive supporting green juice that works with water, not against it. This juice uses cucumber, celery, ginger, lemon. Each ingredient plays a role, not because of vitamins alone, but because of how they signal digestion. Cucumber and celery provide structured water and natural minerals that help fluid absorption. Ginger offers gentle warmth, a known digestive cue. Lemon adds mild acidity, which can help signal stomach acid production without being harsh. Together, they don't replace water. They enhance what water already does. If you enjoy calm, evidence-based wellness like this, you'll probably enjoy the rest of the channel too. When digestion receives clearer signals, the stomach empties more efficiently, gas buildup reduces. That tight, heavy feeling eases. This isn't a cleanse. It's not detox marketing. It's basic digestive support done gently. Green juice isn't for everyone. Some people with sensitive digestion, reflux, or certain conditions need adjustments, or should avoid it entirely. That's why how and when you drink it matters. Most people either drink it too concentrated, drink it too fast, or drink it at the wrong time. That's when discomfort happens. The goal is support, not stimulation overload. So let's talk about how to do this properly, because this is where most people go wrong. This is not meant to be a strong juice. It's meant to be diluted and supportive. A gentle ratio looks like this: half a medium cucumber, 1 celery stalk, a small slice of fresh ginger, juice from half a lemon, diluted with water to make 1 full glass. If it tastes sharp or intense, it's too strong. This should taste light, refreshing, and easy on the stomach. Timing matters more than most people realize. The best time to drink this is in the morning, after waking up, either on an empty stomach or after a few sips of plain water. You don't need to rush. Drink it slowly. This gives your digestive system time to receive the signal, not a shock. This is where personalization matters. You should avoid this green juice if you have active acid reflux or frequent heartburn, you're dealing with ulcers or severe gastritis, you're sensitive to citrus or ginger, or you notice discomfort even with very diluted versions. Wellness is not about forcing what works for others. It's about listening to how your body responds. This green juice is not a replacement for water. Think of it as a bridge, helping digestion gently wake up, so water can do its job better afterward. Water is still essential. This green juice doesn't replace it. It simply helps digestion meet water halfway, especially in the morning. If this helped you understand your body better, consider subscribing. This channel is about simple, calm wellness, no extremes, no trends. New videos every week.